Okay, I'll show you my bread. Inside my bread, okay, very soft. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I will make a super hybrid bread. Why I call it hybrid bread? Because from this recipe you can make any kind of bread, like a log bread, like a sweet bread, and anything all about bread. So stay tuned here. Okay, this is high protein flour, 2 kg. I put sugar inside. I put milk powder. And I also put yeast, dry instant yeast. After it, I stir it all, combine. Okay, now I do aeration in the flour. Then 1 minute aeration. Okay, then I put the milk. Put the milk in the step by step. You no need to rush. Okay, you can share 3 times. Okay, I pour it again. Pour again. Pour again. Now we just need to waiting. The dough is be one big dough. Okay, now after 4 minutes, you put the butter and also the salt. Okay, don't forget the salt. Now you can see no more butter in the side bowl. You can stop your machine and change your speed. Speed number 2. Turn around. Now I will check the gluten window. Okay, it's ready or not? The gluten window is almost there, but I need more time. So I will mix again. Okay, it's ready now. I will proofing the dough in here, so I need to spray it with olive oil. Just get out. Okay, don't forget to forming into the ball like this. Okay, I give a little spray here to keep it moisture. Okay, close it and let it rise around 45 minutes or 1 hour, depends your room temperature. Okay, now after 30 minutes, it's already rise. Lift it. Okay, nice, smooth, soft, and rise. After first rounding, all you need to do is give rest for your dough for 10 minutes more. Now I'm preparing for the convection oven with 165 degree. This is the result of the burger bun. You can see here, nice. This is the result. This is love bread, Hokkaido, and any kind here. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and bye bye. See you in the next video.